Hey there, I'm currently in the mainland China. Just talking to some friends in Europe through our 409 mobile PTT app using our Bluetooth earpiece. Let me show you how it works.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 2 1 2 1 3 4。我直接咧撳呢個。
One good thing about our earpiece is that it already has not just one, but 2 PTT switches on itself, so you don't have to hold onto your walkie-talkie all the time and talk through it. Oh, by the way, you can do multitask on your phone while in the call, no problem whatsoever. Not just the battery has an amount of usage for a whole day, it is also compatible to ZELLO aside of 409 PTT. Don't like putting it on your right ear? Not a problem. Left ear, right ear, whichever you like. Just twist it onto the other side and put it on. Simple enough, yeah?
直接撳呢個 1 2 1 2 1 2， 係啦，呢個咧又亦都可以講到啦。1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2嚇，亦都可以撳呢個掣。1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2